Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Nikocado Avocado channel analytics. Nick has uploaded 657 videos. He now has 2.35 million subscribers with a total view of 534,183,312 views. He's from US, and his channel type is How To. He created his channel since May 27, 2014. The grade he got is B+, and his social blade ranking is at 23,806th. The subscriber ranking is 8,091st, and then video view rank is 9,665th. He ranked at 2,252nd in US and 456th in How To. Next, the daily subs for Nick is around 1K with a daily view of 216,509. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 217,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $868. Then, monthly income will be $26,040. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $14,322 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $171,864. That is how much Nikocado Avocado earns from YouTube.